Welcome back to Plants Lanka Peduruheva. Why drink? Most of our artists, especially singers and actors, face untimely death. So far the ladies don't fall into that line. But the days are not far away for them to follow. When actors and singers reach 50s, they rise to the helm of popularity and the appreciation of the public. But that does not remain long, for they leave us unexpectedly. They don't realize that they were a national asset. They forget their obligation to the nation. The reason for this is excessive use of alcohol, smoking, cigarettes, and uncontrolled diets. People must live, and everyone has a duty to perform for others, your wife, children, your well-wishers, and finally to the country and the nation. Of all what we have to accomplish is, the answer is nothing. Even then there are hundreds of your kith and kins to shed tears on the day of your funeral. So don't think that you are born with a bottle of alcohol in hand and a cigarette in mouth, with a gathering of prayer girls, and to set before a table decorated with animal flesh. Finally, don't sacrifice your wicket before these vices that pursue you from birth to death. Bulldozer. Number 2. Curly and Burly were mother and daughter. Curly had an unusual body which weighed about 600 kilos. Burly her daughter had the same weight. Burly came to know that Curly has met with an accident. From there she ran and shouted, "Oh my dear girl, Curly, are you badly injured?" On her way towards the place of accident, she saw Basurang coming towards her. "Has my daughter met with an accident?" she asked Basurang. "Is she badly injured? Basurang, please tell me." "What nonsense! The accident took place in my presence. Three-wheeler got crashed on the road." Curly ran and raised the three-wheeler and put it aside and helped the driver to stand up. "I did not ask about him, I asked about my daughter. Do you think of a three-wheel cast with a bulldozer who will face with maximum danger?" Burly broke a stick from the close-by fence and ran after Basurang. "You rascal, call my daughter a bulldozer. Don't meet me again. I will skin you from head to feet." Basurang looked at her from a distance. "Oh, Tata Burly, we will see again." Number 3 is There was a certain family with two children. The children's mother was very much loyal to her husband, but the husband was a great nuisance to the progress of the family. Whatever the husband earned, he used it for drinks and gambling. On the day of salary, she had to pay more than half of her earnings to the neighbors to settle the loans taken by her husband. Some days when he come after drinks, she had to clean the house, for he had vomited at several places. One day she was in great anger and warned her husband, "I will not let you in. You will have to sleep outside the house if you come drunk." She knew that he would do the same as usual. Before he entered the house, she kept the bed sheet and the pillow and a packet of meals outside the closed door. The husband came fully drunk. "My sweetie, this is the way you treat me. Never mind, I will eat and sleep out." So in a few minutes she heard him vomiting. He went to sleep. His wife was sorry for the way she treated him. Several times she opened the window and looked at him through the window. She went back to the bed. Little later she heard her husband calling, "My dear, I know you would come to me." This perturbed her and watched through the window to find that he had put his hand round the dog's neck, which had come to eat what he had vomited. Suddenly the dog barked at him and bit his face and ran away. His wife opened the door and rushed to the place. The dog had bitten him severely. Blood was flowing out. She called her neighbor and took him to the hospital. In a few days' time he recovered, leaving few marks on his face. He recovered soon. The public came to know the whole story about the incident. Now, if anyone invited him for a drink, definitely he would receive a beating. Now the family is living happily. But he gets upset when he sees the marks of dog bite. After that, he did not go before the mirror even for a shave. Now I have read 3 stories. Now I am coming to the third. Live or die, funeral undertakers. The news of bringing a forklifter to the above funeral undertakers spread like wildfire. A journalist visited them from a popular newspaper. He contacted the owner of the business and questioned him, "Can you please explain why you have brought a forklifter for your business? I hope that you may have seen people like baby elephants, especially the actors and the singers. Their appearance is itself enough to bring amusement to the spectators. There are so many singers and artists who are abnormal in size. Leave it aside. When they are dead, they need our services. We had to replace our coffins with the dead bodies in when they fell and crashed. By going to handle them, number of our laborers got injured. Even the medical officers are reluctant to attend to them. In order to avoid difficulties, I bought this forklift. Do you get your services only at the premises of funeral undertakers? No, we have to go even to the cemetery, either to bury or to cremate. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Dispute in bus. A bus operator, with the permission and the direction of the COVID-19 officials, the seats were arranged in 2 rows, consisted of 20 seats, and on the left side there were 2 each, and one after the other it was 20. Likewise, even on the other side it was the same. At a certain bus halt, a couple with massive bodies entered the bus. They got seated in the first row and the second row. The conductor, seeing them, told that he has to issue 4 tickets to the couple, but they refused to pay for 4 tickets. This cannot be done. For the owner of the bus, I will have to pay for 4 tickets. Hearing this heated argument, a police officer entered the bus. The conductor explained about the situation. Then the police officer went to those passengers. Just see, you have occupied 2 seats each. Therefore, the conductor's claim is reasonable. Then both of them paid for 4 seats and left. Right, finished.